Hello everybody, so my name is George and we're in the laboratory. We're in the shed. But anyways, got a lot of tools and parts up here, and this is gonna be my new channel. And I'm gonna focus just on DC, a little bit of AC, mostly off-grid solar panel systems, whether it's for lighting or radio communications or whatever your intention is. We'll try to cover it and see if it's a good idea or not. But some of the stuff I have here are going to be like kilowatt meters. We'll go over solar panels, all sizes. From 2 watts to, I don't know, 100 watts or something. That's what I have on hand right now. PWM charge controllers, more charge controllers. We'll go over diodes, LED lighting, Fluke multimeter, thermal multimeters, oscilloscopes, more oscilloscopes, power supplies, soldering irons, my old antique equipment I used for testing in 2000, 2001 and up. But it's a new channel. I'm going to focus on off-grid, and hopefully we can learn some stuff together. If there's any projects, let me know, and if I got the time and the parts, I'll do it. The thing is, my channel is not monetized, so I don't make any money at all. So I'll try to stick to smaller things at the moment. But I'll appreciate if you guys can support me and help my channel grow. Comment, share, subscribe, and let's get things moving. See ya. Thank you. Bye bye.